is Yay Time, and today we are outdoors, and we have 4 LOL surprises today to open, so let's get started. So first we're gonna open the LOL Arcade Heroes. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, we've got a little packet here. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, we've got this cool glittery coin. That's amazing. Okay, so now with this, so we put the coin in the slot, and ooh, it opened. Cool. So now we see this pink and purple robot. Cool. So we have to take off the plastic. Ooh, we've got the legs off. Oh, we've got one of her arms off too. And so put it back together. And now for the other arm. And now for the body. And finally the head. Ooh, who's she gonna be? It's Infinity Queen! She's an ultra rare LOL doll. I'm so happy I got her. She's adorable. Okay, so now moving on. So let's see what we've got in here. Ooh, we've got this cool screen. I wonder what we have to do with this. Okay, so now we're gonna tear this open with our coin, and let's see what's inside. Ooh, we've got this cute overall dress with a pink shirt. Adorable. Okay, let's see what else is inside. Ooh, we've got some cute, adorable, shiny shorts. Let's see what else is inside. Ooh, we've got this cute backpack. It's so small. Okay, next screen. Let's see. What have we got in here? Ooh, I see some galactic punch in there. Wow, it looks like it's blueberry flavored. That's cool. Okay, so what else is inside? Ooh, we've got one shoe. And we've got another shoe. Ooh, they're both shiny and they're pink. Cool. Okay, so next, we've got this cute trading card with Starling and Infinity Queen. Here she is with her outfit on. Okay, now we're going to open the LOL Remix Hair Flip doll. So let's see what's inside. So there's 15 surprises. So we've also got some instructions in here. And let's take off the cover. Ooh, looks like you need to put a CD inside. Ooh, we've got Bluegrass Queen. She's so adorable with her cute, kind of like orange hair. Okay, so let's see what's in this packet. Ooh, what's in here? So we've got this handle. We don't know what that's for yet. Okay, next one. Ooh, we've got this cute kind of blue clip. And we've got another one. Ooh, we've got this cute gold comb. Okay, next. got some blue shoes with gold on it. Adorable. Okay, next. Ooh, we've got a blue and golden outfit that matches her shoes. And this cute, adorable bottle that also matches her outfit. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, this is the stand, of course. And what's this? This looks like a disc. Let's put it on this thing. Let's try and play it. It's so cool, it plays music. Okay, last packet. Ooh, we've got this cute banjo. So adorable. This is her in her outfit. Okay, next we're going to open the LOL Remix Pets. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's 9 surprises. Ooh, this looks different. Ooh, it looks like a cassette tape. Cool. OMG, I think we've got the ultra rare one. The ultra rare ones come with 2 pets. This is amazing. We've got 2 ultra rare dolls in this episode. Cool. Okay, so let's see what's in here. OMG, we've got this cute dress. And we've got the stand, of course. And what's this? We've got this beautiful harp. Are these opera glasses? They're adorable! Okay, let's see. Ooh, this is like a collar, maybe? So that was the list, and I guess that's all. So here it is. Okay, finally we're going to open the LOL Remix Fan Club. Ooh, we've got Sick Beat. I wonder who she is. Let's keep unwrapping. This one has a lot of wrapping. I mean, a lot. Okay, finally we're finished, and we've got these cute stickers. And ooh, we found one of them. Ooh, we've got one shoe and another shoe. These are so adorable. Okay, next up. Ooh, what's this? We've got this cute outfit. It's adorable. Okay, what's next? Guess we have to open it. Ooh, I'm guessing this is a doll. OMG, who's this? We've got Honey Bun. She's so adorable. I love those earrings. Okay, so this is the list. So I was hoping to get Kitty Queen, but Honey Bun is really cute too. Okay, so this is her and her outfit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Join us on another Yay Time. Bye!